Welcome back, boys and girls. How are you doing? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? It's nice to have everyone here. It's nice to have everyone here. It's nice to have everyone here. How are you today? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? How are you today? Hello there, boys and girls. This morning, we were talking about the letter I, and the I says I. Yes. Now, we're going to talk about a word family. Now, let me tell you a short story, just a short story. Once upon a time, there were two letters, I and G. They were best friends until one day teacher asked them to go together. They got so angry. I says, I. No way. G says, g. No way. They were so angry. They got so angry. So I says, I. G said, g. They both said, no, we're not going together. They were sad. But we want to put them together to make a sound. So I said, no problem. I and G, let me do this for you. So I said, I want them to be best friends. So I put I right here. And I said, come on over, G. We are a family. We are friends. We are a family. So you must stick together. So when I put them together, they are going to make a sound. You know I says I and G says G. Now we are going to put them together now. So we're going to push them together. And they're together right here. The I says I, the G says G. Put them together and you get ig. Oh, you like that? Let's go again. The I says I, the G says G. Put them together and you get ig. Yes, we get the sound ig. Which sound is this? Ig. I says I, G says G. Push them together. We push them, see them here? We push them together and we get ig. Now we're going to find some letters to put before them so that we can end up with a word, because we only have a sound, so we need a word. Ig. Now, I'm going to read this sentence to you first, and then we go ahead. Jig the pig is wearing a wig. Jig the pig is wearing a wig. When I say that sentence, you hear the ig sound at the end of some of those words, right? Yes. Jig, pig, wig. Look at Jig. Jig the pig is wearing a wig. Now, if I put P there, let's go. Pig, pig. Very good. Now we have pig, wig, fig, big, dig, jig. When you hear those words, you hear the ig sound at the end, right? Yes, man.